Hello, my beautiful souls. I hope that you're having a good day. Here's fantastic day, fantastic weather. It's so beautiful. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's just perfect. Today I want to deliver a message, my opinion, and maybe it will give you like thoughts food for you about my meat lovers. I'm talking about particular kind of meat. It's like meat with blood, undercooked meat, for example, steak, rare, medium. So where when you eat the meat, there's blood in it. So I just want you to pay attention when you order the rare medium steak, when you push with fork and you see the blood. Just be careful, because why? First of all, you do not know where the cow was raised, what that cow was eating, how that cow was cared. For example, maybe it was abused animal, because there's so many animals really abused, especially when they're raised for profit. So some of them, they never see the sunshine outside, I can say, and they not free roaming, and they just pretty much abused. There's the animals, they have their own souls as well, and they feel good people, like spiritual connection they do have. Don't think that animals are just animals. No. They have connections with humans as well. And so maybe they were abused, and animal always feels when the last minute comes, when their souls leave the body. Same, this is when that greedy man who wants to make money only kill that animal for profit. So that animal release a lot of adrenaline, I can say, and other things. It's like anyway, this is different subject. But why I say be careful for that rare steak? Because you do not know when that animal was killed. You do not know who was cutting the meat off. You do not know if the person had even clean hands before it hits the shelf at the store. So you do not know, maybe they did not wash hands. They cut that meat, and that blood, if you touch with your dirty hands, for example, and you have some bacteria on your hands, you transforming that bacteria to that blood, to that meat. Because it's blood, it's alive, it makes bacteria more and more. So when you order that steak, you do not know how long that meat was laying, for example, even in the refrigerator, how long it was laying and allowed the bacteria to grow in. You do not know. But you will know 2 weeks it takes for any parasitic infection to show you on your health. You will feel that. So my message to you, please be very careful and knowledgeable when you, when you order that rare or medium steak, because you have no idea what's in the blood. And if this is undercooked meat, you just allow yourself to risk, I can say, because you think it's fine, it's okay to eat that kind of meat, but you do not know what in it. So my recommendation to my beautiful souls who's watching me, be careful. If you like that bloody meat, just be careful. It's better to be safe than sorry. This is my message, just to make you think. Okay, guys? I care about all of you. I love you guys. I will record another message for you in different day. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I love you so much and wishing you only the best. Till the next time. Bye-bye.